Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sergio the Traveler. Yeah, it's early in the morning here. We just come to the lake. Just arrived to the lake. It's the biggest lake. Actually, it's Lake Victoria. This side is the village of Mayugno. So guys, yes, I want to take you. This side is the fisherman. You can see the bottom is on this side. I'm going direct there, so you can see how amazing it is. This is the water. You see, wow, very cool. Wow, having this water, very cool. It's very. How can I call it? It's it's uh, um, it's not salt water. It's not salty water, and yes, I can show you. Let me turn this side. You can see so you can see those. There's some stones. There's some stones like islands inside the water. You can see on that very end, and this very end. You can see this side, that side. So this side leads to Uganda. This side, I've been told this direction leads to Uganda. It's straight on to Uganda. So I can show you, those are fishermen there, if you can see them. That side, there is fishermen. And this side, these birds you see here, actually they eat fish. They depend on fish, which is from this side, this water. This is Lake Victoria. So, yeah. So let me show you the boats. Actually, even I'll ask one of the fishermen what's the essence or what is the reason for these boats with names. The boats they have different names, like this one, Manumbu. You see, it's written Manumbu. Yeah. So come and sit this here, that. I don't know how many people it accommodates. Actually, I can't tell the number of people it accommodates. There's a young kid swimming here. So, yeah. So this is a boat here. Yeah, I can see it have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where they're sitting. Yeah, and it has some water inside. So, yeah, I think it accommodates people like 10 people. And yeah, let me show you. It accommodates 10 people. And yeah, so that's the number plate of the boat. That one there. Yeah. So yeah, I'm here with Nasto and Mayugno. I'm admiring this lake, how it is. Yes. This is Nasto here. Nasto, how are you feeling? Morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
What's up, guys? My name is Nasto. Welcome to Sergio the Traveler's channel. Today we are here out in the lake.
Yeah.
We have come to take a bath in the lake. Yes, so we are just waiting to find a good spot that is not so deep.
Yeah.
So that now we can start taking shower.
Yeah.
So me, I've carried my bathing materials in here. Yes, preparing to shower.
You see, Mayugno is here. Even Mayugno is here.
Like this, guys. My name is Mayugno. I'm Rendima for Sekim. It's morning. Good morning, guys. People living USA like German. So we come here to make sure today we come to take shower in the morning because in my home is neighbor here in the lake. So I let here brothers to make sure we come to take shower in the lake, you know. So we come to take shower. You see, prepare material. We're going to killing board.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah. So,
Guys, there is another boat here.
yeah.
Yeah.
Even daga.
Oh, this
Special for small fish.
this is special for small fish. So, oh, they're different.
Yeah, hii uweze kulia samaki.
Ah.
Hii ni tunaona mtego wa daga ule.
Ah.
So, kwa hiyo bado inaingia huko.
This is the net. Actually, this is the net. This is the net to harvest small fish. Yes. So, let me show you where this is the stick they will use in water. This big stick. This one. The big stick they use. See, it's actually good. It looks nice. So today I have to test riding on this boat. Hey guys, this is Maja. Maja, say something.
Yeah, hello guys, my name is Maja_KE.
Stand this side
Yeah.
because they can see the lake now.
Yeah, my name is Maja_KE on all platforms, guys. So thank you so much for always coming, supporting us. And today, guess where we are? Yeah, the lake. This is what is it called, Sage?
Lake Victoria.
Not Lake Victoria, the village here.
The village is called.
This village, Mayugno, is called
Rwangenyi.
Rwangenyi village.
I've seen this board, the name written here, Rwangenyi. Hello, Shikamo.
Shikamo.
Yeah.
So here you have to greet your elders.
Yeah.
Shikamo.
Yeah.
Shikamo. A sign of
Respect.
respect, yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, if you're from my end, kindly subscribe to Sergio the Traveler.
Yeah.
We are all the way from Nyabuanse now to Shirati,
Yeah.
at Mayugno's home,
Rwangenyi.
Rwangenyi,
Yeah.
Rwangenyi village. Yo, so guys, let's go and explore more.
Yeah. How do you feel, Maja, right now when we're here?
I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so happy, feeling at home. This village is so amazing.
Yeah.
People are so welcoming.
Yes.
And this is my first time here.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy to be at Mayugno's village.
Yeah.
Wow, they are so blessed.
Yeah, they are.
I wish we had a lake in Nyabohansi.
We could be
But
swimming like every day.
Yes, instead we have a swamp. We have a swamp, we can't swim. But we arrived yesterday.
Yes.
And it was so amazing. Yeah. So guys, we are trying to explore the
How do you feel like benchmarking on this side, because it have been adventurous?
Yeah.
So will we go back to Nyabohansi with a positive vibe?
Always positive vibes, guys.
Yeah.
As you know, always positive vibes and peace.
Yeah.
I'm really loving this place.
Yeah.
Because
I see the ladies washing utensils here.
Yeah.
Actually,
by the way, I want to do my episode here. My episode
Really?
10 here.
Really?
Yeah.
In the beach?
The
I
beach.
can show you guys. This is the beach down here.
Let me write.
Yeah.
Maja was here.
Maj is writing something here.
Maja was here.
Guys, Maj have just make a signature of him written Maja was here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's very positive. I know I see many people they will see your signature down there.
Yes. Yes. So guys, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be in this village.
Yeah.
They are so blessed.
Yeah.
People are fishing. We have a lot of fish.
Yeah.
I hope we are going back with fish.
We
A lot
will.
of fish
Actually,
at home.
guys, when we're going back to Nyabohansi, we have to take to village grandpa fish. We're going to look for a big fish. Eh?
Yeah, village grandpa. Fish is coming.
Fish is coming.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, now we are right here. We've just met a fisherman here.
Yeah.
Majugu, no?
Is a natural fish.
Very natural fish.
Natural fish. So-
Yes.
You see.
It's still alive, this fish. It's live. You see how it's bending, and the fins. The fins are straight. Let the fisherman. Hi, how are you doing? Sasa?
So you
Mambo.
iweke hivi ni uone.
Yeah, you can see it. So let me hold this side. You can see how this is a big catch. You can see. Wow.
Mzima kabisa.
You see the fisherman.
Fisherman. Saa ngapi uliamka? Saa ngapi uliamka?
Weka
Saa 10. So kuanzia saa 10 ni hizi ndio umevua.
Hali bado sio nzuri sana.
Okay. He woke up at 4 a.m. He went to fish. So he has sold for us this fish
50,000 Tanzania shillings.
50,000.
Like $7.
$7. These 3 fish. They are very heavy. They are very heavy. So hizi ndio mitego zako. Oh, sawa sawa. Asante. Here this is the route we are going with it. So there is no other place we can pass. So we are passing this side. Yeah, we're passing this side. So I have to put my to collect myself. You see, I've just put my clothes up. So we are going in that direction. Let me show you something. I want to talk to somebody here. So yeah, let me talk to somebody. I want to talk to somebody here. So guys, we are going in that direction. I want to talk to somebody. I've just seen a fisherman here. That's why I'm going that direction to talk to that fisherman. He's from the water right now. He's from fishing. So I'm going to talk to him right now to tell me the experience which is facing here and how are they making. How are they making? Sometimes they go at night. So how do they get that direction to come back in this time? Kwema bro? Salama? Naona ndio unatoka kazi. Samahani bana, nataka tu ni experience na nataka kuuliza. So I've just met with the fisherman. So I want to ask him a couple of questions before I join my Yugun on that side. Hi, naitwa Jose.
Naitwa Joshua.
Tumetoka upande wa Kenya huko.
Okay.
Sisi ni watu wa kurekodi tu video. So huu ni mtumbwi wako.
Yeah.
Mbona ni mdogo hivi? You can see this board, this small board is made by bamboo sticks. You see? So umetoka kuvuna samaki.
Yeah.
Umepata?
Nimepata lakini nishauza.
Au shauza?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so huu unavuta mpaka huko?
Huu unaenda mpaka juu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So unakaa tu hapa juu hivi?
Unakaa juu.
Na mawimbi?
Mawimbi haina shida tena, yeye inakupa mawimbi kuliko hata hizo mikubwa.
Let me show you a stick here which they use. See this. They used to do this way and do this way. Mimi naogopa nikikaa kwa, unaona naweza zama. So samaki ya leo umeona aje? Umepata zenye zinaridhisha ama?
Kidogo nimepata samaki 3.
Oh, samaki 3 lakini wakubwa.
Wakubwa.
Safi basi. Asante bro. So uliamka saa ngapi?
Niliamka saa 8.
Saa 8 usiku? This guy just woke up at 2 a.m. till now. He's from the water right now. Sasa kama uliamka saa 8, ulijuaje direction ya kuingia?
Direction ni mfano hapa ni njia. Unapita, ukishapita ukifika pale mwaloni, tunaangalia hivyo visiwa. Kwamba maana samaki hao mlio wanunua wanakaa kwenye mawe. Kwenye mawe. Alafu wale sangara wanakaa kwenye mchanga. Kwa hiyo sisi tunaloa kwenye mawe.
Okay. So hata ukienda kama ni giza, unaona hii ndio direction ya kurudisha sasa. Na ushaipotea baharini?
Bado.
Hujaipotea? Miaka ngapi sasa hizi?
Nimeanza kazi 2018.
From 2018 hiyo ni miaka ngapi? Hiyo ni miaka 6. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, miaka 6. Sasa bro. Shukran bana. So I've just met this fisherman. He told me that he woke up at 2 a.m. very early in the morning to go and fish. Okay, he have already sold the fish with the fish which he had. So yeah, so I don't know. He woke up 2 a.m. and he have told me that there is small islands in this lake, which I show you, those rocky islands. That is the direction. Even when it's very, very late and very dark, that's the direction which they're getting. I've asked him, have he ever lost in deep waters? He have told me that he have never lost in deep water. So that experience, sometimes that experience, I can't. So guys, there is no other route. This is the route we are using to that. So I'll have to go in. So I'm walking inside water. Very cold water. Very natural water. Very cold water. Cold water, guys. Cold water. This is very cold water. I'm walking inside that water. So yes, this is water hyacinth. Actually, this is a bad plant inside water. You see this one? This is a bad plant. So if you have this plant, pull it away. We don't want it inside water because it's used to chase the fish away. Yeah. So when even it make it hard for the fishermen to fish. It make it hard. So I've just come out of the water. Yeah, look at my leg. They're looking clean, very clean. So yeah, we are still in water. So these guys are harvesting fish. Yeah, there is some guys are harvesting fish. Mambo, poa. So these guys are harvesting fish. Yes. So we are going that direction where Mayuguno is. So yes, to show you, I want to walk faster. I reach there. Yes, guys. So even there is a small beach here, we can see, we can have a view, and yeah, see how work is done here. Maybe it can be a good fish. I'm rolling there. Let me reach there. Let me reach there. Hey guys, now I'm assisting the fisherman to push this inside water. Well, leave it.
Samaki mnono. Use Jondo amevuliwa.
Hata mimi acha niji. Ona. Ngoja nimpeleke. Hata mimi acha niji. Hata mimi acha niji.
Hivi tukiona mnaenda na hatuna zile za mashine za kuwafukuza. Hey, tunaona mnaenda hadi Migingo.
Twende na huyu pia wote.
Huyu hawako. Kwani inabeba watatu sasa. Sasa.
Ngoja nikupeleke. Ngoja nimpeleke.
Mnaenda pia na mtu ana wa rekodi.
Tunaenda Uganda.
Sejo mnapotea.
Mnakaeje hivi? Hapo mkae katikati. Hapo mkae katikati.
Mayuguno wale utachona maji hapa.
Njoo ukae Sejo bana, uwezi nani.
Hapa kuna chini.
Ngojenda.
Mayuguno anaenda kupotea ndo yure.
Yura.
Mayuguno.
Narua wera.
Mayuguno umeingia gizani.
Hey! Guys, I'm just afraid getting the boat. This is the first experience actually going inside there. So I was fleeting. And hey, okay. So guys, look at this. This is Lake Victoria. Wow, 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 wow.
We are here, guys. We are swimming.
I don't. So that is Mayuguna going to a small island there. You see that's there is a small island there. There is just yeah that. Hey, hey, wait.
Piga kona, piga kona.
Piga kwa huko aje kwa.
Acha kumpeleka kona, yale maji ni marefu.
Kiboko kiko hapo.
Piga kona.
Just come to see